Hello everyone. So that was a day of second of English learning challenge. Then I making this video before I make a short video. That's title is I am very today I'm very sad because my challenge has had stopped. So you have to first watch it after you can watch this video. So this video is going to be a motivated video because today I'm telling you some motivate what's your focus. Simple. That's video title is what's your focus goal actually. So in a which one person you have learned this knowledge. The person is English beginner actually, English learners from you learning this motivated thing. I can't and forget it. So I can't see my face on this screen because the sunlight is very hard and the very bright, so I can't see my mobile screen. So then I making some expression, so I didn't see. So okay, forget it. And now I'm asking one question: which one animal you choose, duck or a horse? My opinion, I choose horse, and most of the people choose horse because the horse is very fast of running, but duck is not fast runner. But then I ask, you have to reach your 100 meter duri. So which one animal you choose? You choose horse. So I'm asking that one thing, why you choose horse? You choose you can choose the you can choose of option the duck, because duck is runner. Actually duck is run and walk and swimming, and he is fly, because duck is fly, duck is swimming, and duck runner. So why you choose only the horse? Don't worry, I'm telling you that because you choose the horse because he focused on only a running, but duck doing a three works. He's flying. Sorry, it is flying, it is swimming, it's doing flying, it's doing swimming, it's doing running. He doing these three works but not perfectly. But the horse is doing perfectly only a one work, that was only a running. So he see it was a fast runner on the earth abhi tak ka. That time he was the fastest runner animal in the world. My opinion, I don't know about होगा भी तो I don't know. So I'm telling you, the you have to learn from these two example, because you don't have to make a duck, you have to make a horse, because horse only focused on her only a one goal, that was only a running. But the duck is only focused because duck is doing three works: swimming, flying, walking. But he don't perfect in any one field. So that horse is very perfect because he focused on only a one goal. So you have to learn this one thing about that, you have to focus only on one goal. Mm, but I can't, but I didn't I understanding my but I didn't understand that this thing myself, because and I don't focus on my one goal, because my I have a three channels. So I'm working on these three channels, but I'm not perfect on these three channels. So but now I can understand this thing, because I watched this video yesterday, after I can telling you this thing. So you have to learn this some and the one more example of this, I don't know her name, the biggest scientist in the world, I don't know. But he invents I was thinking perhaps bulb actually okay, bulb, yeah, I don't know about it. But I was thinking he invent a bulb, but I don't know names. Perhaps Tesla. I was thinking don't I don't fix that was a person. No. I am thinking as perhaps. she was only a Tesla. So he was don't focus only on one goal. He was a uh, wait, huh? Okay, so the this so he's scientist is reached everywhere. He didn't focus her goal. What's the goal? So you have to uh, know that what's your goal. My goal is only first, that was English learning, and I have to make a bigger YouTuber. Simple, okay. Yeah, big YouTuber, or that fix a business that I am doing her owner. Because I am the owner of this business. My goal is that. But first you have to make a businessman. So you have to mm, make first a knocker. I don't know, you have to first take a job, after you can make a businessman. Because then you have to get, so you have to first pay, after you can pay. So then you have to doing earning, so you have to first learning. Simple. Then I say that one thing in a Hindi. अगर आपको कुछ अगर आपने कुछ धरती में कुछ दिया है तो आपको मिलेगा। अगर आप धरती से ये कह रहे हो कि मुझे कुछ ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा, मतलब बिना आपने गेहूँ बोया नहीं है अपने खेत में, और आप सोच रहे हैं कि उसमें से निकल आए, तो नहीं है। सबसे पहले आपको गेहूँ देना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद ही उसमें से गेहूँ उग कर निकलेगा। सो दैट थिंग आई कांट स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, सो आई स्पीक इन हिंदी, बट I can understand this thing. So first you have to pay, after you can get these things. Okay, so you have to understand these some things, and there are many things. Do I can't remember these like that things. Then you have to learn from the water. You have to learn from the tree. You have to learn from the many things, man. Everything in the world, so you have to learn it. You have to only the experience. Okay, and one thing, one question I have to ask from you: the experience or a knowledge, which is better? I don't know, but I am actually I experienced that thing. The knowledge is knowledge or experienced, I don't know, but the experience is the best for this field. That was nirbhar on the field. So I am thinking, but what's your opinion? Please tell me in comment, and I am very glad to that. Okay, so no meaning of these some words that I say before these things. So wait, huh? Okay, so I think it, and you do you know, arts five arts hands, five fingers are not always equal. Look, that means you have to learn from this. Okay, you have to learn from this. That was, a man is not perfect in a any field, but he was perfect in a one field only. The man is not perfect in a any field, but he is perfect in a one field. Like then we say the more the AI develop the actually prompt engineer. Then I say the from the prompt engineer you have to uh, uh, doing the my video edit. So he can't do that, but he's a prompt engineer, so he edit this. But then I say the editor. So you have to give a chat GPT a one prompt, so he can't do that, because as five finger is not equal. So that's why you have to learn. There are many things you can learn these, but I'm think uh, wait. Okay, so now I have to ask that thing. You do minute or minute, the difference. Then you have seen my previous video, and then you like my previous video that was a concept as minute verse and difference between the minute and minutes. So then you like these types of videos, so I am doing my best, and I'm taking these types of video and give you. Okay, so thanks for watching, and last time, so thank you for everyone, and the one viewer. Okay, thanks.